Welcome to Share Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, and special events. Now, as a MSC specialist, it can be well appreciated that we're very concerned about the incident that occurred yesterday in Roatan, Honduras. And so we've been following it up, and the reports that are coming out of MSC would suggest that the vessel has been cleared by the port authorities of Roatan, and as soon as the hole that has been created in the hull has been repaired, it will be free to move. Oh, that really gave us a scare, but we're really happy that it was a superficial wound. Yes, I say tongue in cheek, but we're really grateful that the damage was not severe. This vessel is a 58-ton vessel, and it carries over 2,600 passengers as well as crew members. We await the update from MSC Cruise Lines to see if she will continue on her voyage that is a part of a 2-week cruise, and there was an expected call to be made in the Cayman Islands. Usually that's a tender port, and so we anxiously await update to confirm whether she will continue her voyage, whether she will tender in the Cayman Islands, and if she will be able to continue without interruption to that schedule. You know that you can depend on us here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited to keep you in the know, because we're all about the fun. Ciao for now.